What is up, my fellow dreamers and soul searchers? Here is your Roxy Talks manifestation tip of the day. You're always manifesting from the now moment, and you're always creating your future in every now moment. So, your truth right now is that you're doing it and you're kind of making progress, but you haven't seen anything in your 3D. So you're actively thinking that most of the time, even if you're trying to manifest out of it, you're obviously thinking this more because this is your truth. This is what you're telling me right here. This is my truth. I'm working on it, but it's not showing up. It's not showing up because you haven't changed your definition yet. You haven't changed the story about you fully. You haven't fully changed the story about your friend. Like, you've changed the story about your friend enough to see progress within yourself, but you haven't changed the story about them because you're still saying that they're not here and they haven't shown up. And I can tell by the way you're asking this that you still believe in the separation between you and your friend. I think a lot of people forget that manifesting, it only matters what you're thinking about in the moment. Like, when you're trying to figure out why something has manifested, or this thing and that thing, or how long it's been, blah blah blah, it doesn't matter. There's literally it doesn't fucking matter. The point is that right now you are saying you don't have it. And the majority of the right nows, you are saying you don't have it, and that's the problem. So you're doing the work to convince yourself that it's unfolding, but you don't believe fully in, like, the inevitability of it, and that's where you're at right now. So what you need to be doing is convincing yourself of the inevitability of the fact that this is happening. Like, who wouldn't want to be your friend? You know what I mean? Like, why, what? You don't have a friend. What do you mean? What are you talking about? You can't identify as somebody who's got these issues with your friend and expect the friend to come through. For everybody here, I see questions like this every single day. I've been doing it, but it's not working. Why? And nobody wants to hear the answer of, because you're saying it's not working right now, but that's the answer. And that's the answer right now. And it was the answer 20 minutes ago. And it was the answer 2 hours ago. And it was the answer 2.5 hours ago. And it was the answer 6 hours ago. And it was the answer 7 hours ago. And it was the answer 9 hours ago. And it was the answer yesterday. And it was the answer, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's been that answer for the last couple of years, or however long it's been. That's the problem. It's always that it's not here right now. You're always thinking like you're more aware of the fact that it's not here than you are aware of the inevitability. And that's it. That's just it. There's really no way around it. So you have to work on convincing yourself of your worthiness, of, like, forgiving yourself, forgiving them, dropping the resentment for them not being here, all the stuff that's going on within you that is clinging to the story of them not being here anymore is why they're not here. You don't believe it because you just told me the truth. Does that make sense? Like, you're trying to believe it, and I'm sure you're making progress on it, but you don't yet, and, like, that's the and I'm not saying it's wrong or bad, I'm just telling you straight up what the issue is. He said, "I'm thinking maybe how I am with one SP is affecting how I am with the other." Probably because you're you, and you're probably approaching all of your relationships in a similar fashion, you know? So, it always, always, always comes back to awareness and discipline. 360 method. Coming back, by the way, 360method.co if you want to be on the wait list, and get updates. And I'm also sending special deals to the update list, the wait list. Anyways, but, awareness and discipline is always the answer, always what you need to be doing, always the focus. You've got to be paying attention to what you're saying and what you're believing. I understand that it doesn't feel good to be in these situations. I understand that. I also understand what it feels like to be triggered into a spiral. I get that. But that doesn't negate the fact that you still need to do something about those thoughts, or they're going to manifest. I mean, you're already manifesting your reality. So, like, if you want to step out of where you're headed, then, like, switch directions, switch topics, switch frequencies, move your body, get into a different focus in any way. That was your Roxy Talks manifestation tip of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you would like help on your personal situation, head to roxytalks.com for more ways to work with me and manifest your ideal life. We're all raising our vibrations together. You have the power. I believe in you. See you next time.